Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, it's going to be a very quick video, guys, just letting you know that there's a very good offer on some Boost Mobile iPhone. So yeah, I just saw this and I was like, let me just make a quick video so I can show my audience. But it's a very good time to buy some iPhones here on Boost Mobile. But if you go right here to phones, this is Boost Mobile's website. And then you scroll down a little bit until you get to iPhones. You'll see what I'm talking about, which is a very good time. Here it is, guys. Currently on Boost Mobile, it's $100 off. It's the iPhone XR. You might be saying, well, the iPhone 11 is on sale for $600. Yeah, guys, but as well, you can get the iPhone XR, which is an amazing phone still to this date. It's usually $600, but Boost Mobile has on sale for $500, which is an amazing deal. A lot of other retailers are still selling the iPhone XR for like $600, you know? So getting $100 cheaper on Boost Mobile, if you use it, it's a very good deal. So as you can see, it's rated 5 stars. So you guys, if you guys haven't seen any reviews, which I'm pretty sure you have, of the iPhone 11, it's a very good phone. But the iPhone XR is an amazing phone as well from last year. It has a great battery life and all that stuff. Yes, it might not have, you know, a 1080p display or anything like that. It's an LCD display, but we'll get more into that. But it's a good display overall if you're not comparing it with other phones. And a lot of tech tubers will tell you as well that it's a decent screen. You don't even tell the difference, you know, unless you're comparing it. But as you can see, there's a 64 gig, 128, and 256 gig. They have all three models. Oh, wait, let me see. That one's out of stock. 128 is out of stock. Let's see the 64. So out of all of them, the 64 gig is in stock. All these other ones are out of stock, but as well, there's different colors. So they do have the yellow, the coral, the white, the red, and the blue. So they have all the colors, guys, that you would want. So very nice phone, guys. Still for the price, like I said, you can't beat it. Let's just look at some quick specs on this. So it does have a 6.1 inch screen, very nice, 12 megapixel camera, which the camera is amazing on this one as well. Talk time up to 22 hours. A lot of people will tell you it's probably the best battery life out of a smartphone, you know, apart from the 11s. It does record in 4K, so you can record videos in 4K, which is amazing, guys. Let's look at the description real quick. So it says iPhone XR features a 6.1 inch liquid retina display, 6 stunning colors, advanced face ID, lets you securely unlock your iPhone and log into apps in just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip, which is an amazing chip, so any gamers out there, or if you're video editing on your iPhone, this is a very good chip, guys. It's very strong. So it's good for like gaming and all that stuff. But of course, a 12 megapixel camera with portrait mode, portrait lighting, enhanced bokeh, and depth control for studio quality portraits and water resistant design. So very good, man. Selling very hot right now, guys. Some key features there. Like I said, the XR is really cool. Here's a liquid retina display. It's a 6.1 inch display. It's a backlit design, so LCD basically is what they're calling it, really. The screen to stretch into the corners, so you see true to life colors from one beautiful edge to the other. It does have a little bit of, you know, some edges. It's not fully there, but you know, it's there. What can does have, like I said, the Bionic A12 chip, very nice, or the A12 Bionic, should I say? Advanced camera features, 4K, of course. And of course, you can do all that Apple Care stuff. So very good. And then of course, you can get into the Apple family with it. Like I said, for the price, guys, the XR is definitely the one to get. Unless you want to cough up the extra $100 and get the iPhone 11, which I would recommend if you can. If not, the XR is good. That's why I'm making this video. So it's a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So of course, you can't remove it. It's not removable. Memory varies. Like I said, this one's a 64 if you're looking at this one. The processor is an A12 Bionic chip with next generation neural engine. Operating system iOS 13, which of course you can get the newest operating system on here. Camera's a 12 megapixel with 12 megapixel true depth front camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, all that stuff. So you guys know, like I said, about the iPhone XR. So it's been out now for over a year. And like I said, it's good price right now for $500, guys. It's a pretty decent, and then you can get it unlocked. through Boost Mobile, but you do have to have it active on your service for at least 1 year. So just remember that. But thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good deal and if you would get it? So this is Dragonic Warfare signing off. Like I said, please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out our supporter, Honey.